Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram account without password. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram and then click in your profile icon and then click settings. After that just scroll down and then click help. And then click manage your account, and here in the search bar just type how I delete Instagram Okay, just let me translate this page. It's in Vietnamese now. Okay, as you can see here, how do I delete my Instagram account? Click here, see more. And then you see here, delete your account. Just click here. And then why do you want to delete? Just give a reason, choose one of those. Okay, for example, something else. And then here you need to type your password. If you don't know the password, just click here, forgot password, and then you need to type here your email that associate with your Instagram or phone number, and then click send login link, and then Instagram will send you a link. You need to click that link, and then you will set a new password, and after that is done. This is what you need to do if you want to delete your Instagram account without password. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.